Hi guys, it's Ann here, and today's video is my February Topbox unboxing. Yay! This is my favorite subscription box to unbox as of right now. My other favorite is BoxyCharm, but I don't have BoxyCharm right now. The quick rundown, if you don't know anything about Topbox, it is a Canadian subscription box, very similar to Ipsy, just doesn't have the little bag, and it is $16.95. No, $15 Canadian. I pay $16.95 including taxes. And yeah, some months, actually every month, they allow you to select a privy box and you may or may not get it. The privy box is usually like one or two specific items. For example, last month I got the Ren sunscreen. I did select one privy box this month, but I don't think I got it because I feel like there's more than one item in here. So I'm pretty sure I didn't get my privy box. So let's see what I got. They always have this card in here that doesn't really tell you anything, but thanks. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing here is this Cleo Noir. It looks like an eye pencil, I'm gonna say. Hopefully you can see that. It's in the packaging, so I'll unpackage it and we'll see. Yeah, so it looks like it's just a black liner. It's very sharp on the tip there. It's not very black. So that's it on the back of my hand. I kind of went gentle on the first side, and then you can see I kind of went a little bit harder on the wider stroke there. It's not very black. I've never heard of this brand, so we'll give it a go. It doesn't look like a full size, but it could be a full size because it's that like in-between kind of size. We'll give it a minute to like set, and we'll see if it like sets. Okay, the next product I see in here is the Manna Kadar Glow Shimmer Lotion. Apparently it's step 3. Probably did not get step 1 and 2. I don't know. So that's what the packaging looks like. On the back it says, an incandescent liquid that lights up the skin with all-over radiance. Mix with foundation or wear alone. Great for all skin types to provide a natural luminous glow. Use on face and or body to create a youthful, sorry, I was like excited, youthful flow and a youthful flow. Okay, and an illuminating finish. Sheer genius. Get glowing. Okay, let's see what this is like. It's very pink. So hopefully you can see it on the back of my hand there. And then we'll just blend this out. It's slightly glowy. Maybe that's a good thing that's not like super glowy. It would be interesting to try this without foundation. I'm not gonna lie, it seems like it just like wiped away. This is not looking like a good box. I'm just putting that out there right now because I only have 2 other items and I'm not super thrilled about either one. Dang it! Okay, so the first one is probably like the better of the two, the remaining things. This is the Fisherman Xtreme Lip Care Sea Buckthorn Citrus. It's a lip balm. So we did get one in the Luxe box last year. I got one of these in the Luxe box last year. It was the maple. It was like a limited edition scent. I'm not gonna lie, kind of makes me a little bit nauseous. It's a little too sweet. But let's see what this one smells like. Like the last thing I need is a lip balm. I have so many right now. Like too many. So yeah, it's kind of like the other one. It has a bit of a weird color to it. And yeah, it's a bit citrusy. Just like a lip balm. Not super citrusy though. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird. I'm not sure I'm really keen on that scent. But anyway, I think I filmed this whole thing without my mic on. And the last item in my box is this nail polish by Pretty Woman, and the shade is something blue, but it's green. So whoever named that. It looks pretty, like it looks like it's got a shimmer in it. Let's just do a little quick coat on my nail. I've got the Julep oxygen treatment on right now, but I'm going to do my nails later anyway. So yeah, this is definitely a 2-coater type polish. So that's one coat on my nail there. You can see it's like got a bit of a golden shimmer to it. Normally I would be excited over nail polish, and I do like this color. But if any of you have been following me for a while, I've been on a journey to try and like bring down my nail polish collection. It's been a feat. I did really well last year, so adding a full-size nail polish to my collection is a little, so I don't know. And I'm not sure I would have considered maybe putting this in a giveaway, but I'm not sure about mailing nail polishes. It kind of weirds me out. Maybe I can see if I know somebody that wants this. Yeah, I mean, it's not that I don't want it. It's just like, will I get around to using it? I don't know. And that's the box. So, not really good at lying. This is why I don't play poker. I'm not thrilled about this box. The only thing I can think of is maybe this is an expensive product. Because other than that, the value of this between like a lip balm and a nail polish, that's like mentally, that's worth like $10, maybe $12 in my head. And then this is just like a little sample. Like this would be like a sample you get when you order online kind of thing. And just doing that little demo of it, I wasn't too thrilled about it. So yeah, so I've been pretty good up until now. For the most part, I've liked most of my boxes. I think this box, don't like it. That's just not a favorite. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed by this box. So hopefully March will be a better month, because February was a big dud. I did not get the mystery box, so there was a $25 mystery box you could get. I did see somebody post their box on Reddit, on Makeup Addiction Canada thread, and I'm glad I didn't get it. It did have a couple products in it that I know I like the Pure Lease Watermelon Scrub and the Yensa Mask, but I already have those products, and I'm not dying to get a new one soon on those. And like there's mostly skincare, so I'm kind of glad that I skipped out on it and I did not pick it up. So, alright, that's this video. Sorry it was a big wah-wah. I hope you liked it anyway. Feel free to give a little thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.